Okay, this is definitely going to be an epic mess. I'm going to try to do a rainbow swipe. I have my awesome Australian Floetrol as my cell activator. I'm going to use this as a swipe over the rainbow colors. Wish me luck. This is so awesome. I love it. This is so cool. I think it's going to keep changing as it goes, but this is really cool. I don't do the swipes that often, especially with the new Australian Floetrol that I bought. So this is really, really cool. I will link the Etsy shop that I bought the Floetrol at, Feathered Fantaise Art. I think I'm saying that right. in the description below, so you guys can get your own if you want. For me right now, it is worth every penny. It is so cool, and I have used a little bit already. I don't know if you can see. I have used a little bit, but anyways, yes, this is just completely awesome. I am going to go put it on my flat table that is completely level and let it dry. I don't want anything to touch it, and fingers crossed that it stays, and it is so cool. I love it. I was a little worried because this was getting jagged here, but I just think it's really cool. And I love how there's like a big part of red and a big part of purple that kind of balance each other out. So stay tuned for the dried results of this one. Thanks for watching.